What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 18th episode of the Investing Penguin. Covered calls and cash secured puts. If you are new to my channel, stick around as I reveal the numbers for the month of November, and stick around till the end as I share some interesting facts about the 20-year anniversary of the Enron scandal. And please hit all those buttons. Subscribe, like, and share. It's supposed to help all my YouTube algorithms and make me filthy rich. But seriously, if you appreciate these videos, please support the channel by hitting all those buttons. For those of you who don't know me, I am the Penguin, and in this video, I reveal the profits using covered calls and cash secured puts for the month of November. When you see the numbers, keep in mind, I like to keep these videos simple, easy to understand with relevant, straight to the point information. There is an acronym that many smart people use. It's called KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. And that's how I like to live my life, a simple man. Also one of the best songs of all time by Leonard Skinner. Finally, I'm here to show you all the juicy details for free. No subscription fees like those other investment channels. So put away the dynamite. This video's ready to explode. So before we jump into the numbers, let's talk about the markets a little bit. So the markets took a hit Friday, the 26th, the day after Thanksgiving, due to the announcement of the Omicron variant. Then Monday the 29th, the markets bounced back, but then Tuesday the 30th, the markets took an even bigger hit. So here's a graph just kind of showing where the market has been over the last month, and as you can see, we've had quite a ride. Here's the Nasdaq over the last year, and check that out. We hit 16,000, and then we came back down once again due to the news on the Omicron variant. And here's the S&P 500, and just like the Nasdaq, it keeps going up and up and up. Over $8,100 in profits for the month of November. So the green is covered calls, the blue is cash secured puts, and the orange is dividends. So in the month of November, I sold 5 covered calls, generating over $2,300 in premium, aka cash flow. Altria Group, Bristol Myers, JP Morgan, Cigna, and look at Altria Group. 2 covered call trades in the month of November. Rinse and repeat, baby. So in the month of November, I sold 16 cash secured puts, generating over $3,600 in premium, aka cash flow. Phillips 66, 3M, Discover Financial Services, Raytheon, Intel, Walgreens, Phillip Morris, JP Morgan, Realty Income, Alcoa, Bank of America. So the markets took a hit Friday the 26th, the day after Thanksgiving, due to the announcement of the Omicron variant. Then Monday the 29th, the markets bounced back, but then Tuesday the 30th, the markets took an even bigger hit. So a great time to sell cash secured puts is on a down day, and that's exactly what I did. During these big dips due to the Omicron news, I sold cash secured puts and collected some big premiums. So in the month of November, I captured 4 dividend payments, generating over $2,100 in profits. Verizon, AT&T, Bristol Myers, and Kinder Morgan. So I'm not going to lie, all of these stocks are down for me, which means my covered calls on these stocks are producing smaller premiums. But at least I have the dividend payments coming in every quarter. That's why I love using dividend-paying stocks with my covered call strategy. No stock gains in the month of November. The good, the bad, and the ugly. So not every trade is a winner. You have to take the good with the bad, and the losses are just downright ugly. For you millennials, the good, the bad, and the ugly is a great Clint Eastwood spaghetti western. So going into the month of December, I've got over 35,000 in unrealized losses. 35,000. So I'm going to have to make some decisions in the month of December if I want to take some tax write-offs. But these losses don't really bother me since these stocks all pay dividends and will eventually turn a profit. But that AT&T stock really got me. I mean, I got caught up in that dividend trap. A high dividend yield that AT&T could no longer sustain. AT&T at $23, $24 a share is a good deal. I bought AT&T at $31 a share, and that sucks. Well, that's it. Time flies when you're having fun. Having fun making money, that is. I am working on more videos, and please drop your comments below. And stick around for 10 more seconds as I share some interesting facts about the 20-year anniversary of the Enron scandal. It was 20 years ago that energy giant Enron, then the seventh largest company in the U.S., crumbled, resulting in historic layoffs and the ravaging of their employees' retirement and savings accounts. The scandal led to the indictment of several of the company's executives and the downfall of its accounting firm, Arthur Andersen. The Enron scandal was an accounting scandal involving Enron Corp., an American energy company based in Houston, Texas. In 2001, the company declared bankruptcy and its accounting firm, Arthur Andersen, was effectively dissolved. In addition to being the largest bankruptcy in U.S. history at that time, Enron was cited as the biggest audit failure. Enron was formed in 1985 by Kenneth Lay after merging Houston Natural Gas and Internorth. And then several years later, when Jeffrey Skilling was hired, Lay developed a staff of executives that by the use of accounting loopholes, special purpose entities, and poor financial reporting were able to hide billions of dollars in debt from their failed deals and projects. CFO Andrew Fastow and other executives misled Enron's board of directors and the audit committee on their accounting practices and pressured Arthur Andersen to ignore the issues. So the real tragedy of the Enron scandal is that the higher-ups and executives who were cheating and making huge bonuses based on false accounting pulled all their money out of their 401k, retirement accounts, and employee stock plans right before the shit hit the fan, because they knew it was all coming to an end. The jig was up. But the very next day, the regular employees were all screwed because their 401k retirement accounts and employee stock plans were frozen. And by then it was too late. Enron stock was worthless. The honest employees, like the secretaries and middle managers and field folks, got screwed twice. Not only did they lose their jobs, but they lost their retirement money. That is so wrong on so many levels. These people's lives were ruined. So I found all these photos on the internet. In photo number 1, here we have Enron founder and CEO Kenneth Lay testifying before Congress. Lay died before serving any prison time. Photo number 2, here we have Jeffrey Skilling also testifying before Congress. Photo number 3, here is Jeffrey Skilling being released from prison after only serving 12 years in jail. Photo number 4, here we have CFO Andrew Fastow, who testified against Lay and Skilling to save himself, even though he was just as guilty. Photo number 5, Fastow only served 4 years in prison and was released. Photo number 6, Fortune magazine listed Enron the #1 company to work for. Wow, everyone was fooled, even Fortune magazine. Photo number 7, Worth magazine listed Jeffrey Skilling as one of the top 50 CEOs. And I would say, yeah, Skilling redefined CEO. He was the chief embezzling officer. Photo number 8, cover of the Houston Chronicle. That's both Lay and Skilling convicted. Photo number 9, Enron stock from $90 to $0. Like I said before, the honest employees of Enron owned shares in the company and they got screwed. Photo number 10, almost everyone knows the Enron symbol since the scandal. Photo number 11 is a cartoon poking fun at Arthur Andersen for shredding documents. Photo number 12, here are the employees of Enron leaving the headquarters, probably wondering what the hell happened to their jobs and retirement accounts. Photo number 13, I thought this was a clever use of Enron's symbol. Photo number 14, not sure if this is a real Sprint ad, but once again poking fun at Arthur Andersen for shredding documents. And the last photo, number 15, here is Sharon Watkins, the whistleblower, who helped bring forth the truth. And it's not easy being the whistleblower.
Go on, take the money and run. Go on, take the money and run.
Money Music, Steve Miller Band, Take the Money and Run. You know, I already featured this song in one of my previous videos, but I think it is worth mentioning again, considering how the Enron executives collected their big bonuses, emptied their retirement accounts, and ran from the truth while the regular employees got screwed. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, and I hope you learned something from the Enron scandal. I'm only sharing my experiences and opinions. Investing involves risk, so please seek advice and educate yourself.